A Course in Miracles, A Journey from Illusion to Wholeness, Lessons 1 through 31, The Great Forgetting. This month, it's all about the beginnings of our unlearning. As we progress throughout the month with the daily lessons, we'll practice at realizing that nothing has any meaning, that we've given everything the meaning it has, and that essentially we live in a meaningless world. How's that for our first month of the course? Essentially, it's the beginnings of wiping the chalkboard of our consciousness clean of meaningless stuff so that as we move forward throughout the year, we'll rewrite the board with only that which is meaningful, thus leading to peace and wholeness. Nothing real can be threatened, nothing unreal exists. Herein lies the peace of God. A Course in Miracles.